What they said? They given that if f of x is equal to mod sin x, then domain of f, you have to find the domain of f for existence of inverse. When inverse is exist, that is asking. Okay. Now here we learn these things completely in the inverse trigonometry functions. But now I will give you idea. See, sin x graph you know. Okay, sin x graph you know, that is sin 0 0 like this. It goes like this, right? This is the graph of sin x, right? This is the graph of sin x. So here you know that the entire domain, if you take, if I draw a line parallel to x-axis, that will cut many places. So that is not a 1-1 function. If a function is not 1-1, then inverse does not exist. Correct? If a function is 1-1, inverse does not exist. So we have to restrict the domain to become it is invertible. We have to restrict the domain. So what we do here to restrict them, this is the restriction of the sine function. Here pi by 2 I am taking, and I am going to take here minus pi by 2. Look at this picture. In this graph, here to here, when the graph is going on, when you are drawing this graph, no values will be repeated. This place, no? This place, no values are repeated. Now this place, if you draw a line, that line will intersect the graph at only one point, right? So when it is restricted like this, when you restrict a domain and range, like a range is, this is, you know, sin x range where to where? Minus 1 to plus 1. And domain is what? The domain is real. But if I am taking this part, restricted part, if I am taking the restricted part, then in this place means sin x is invertible. When sin x is invertible, when the domain is 1 minus 1 comma 1, means, you know, actually domain is this is here to here, range is this, but inverse function it will be reversed. So when it is reversed, domain sin x is invertible, then sin inverse x we call. If it is invertible, we call as sin inverse x. So sin inverse x domain will be what? Minus 1 to 1, and the range will be what here? Range will be minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So actually sin x domain is this, range is this. This is sin x, right? What is the range of sin x? Minus 1 to plus 1. And domain is, now I restricted domain is what? Minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. But if I make it inverse, sin inverse x will be, sin inverse, domain will be where to where? Minus 1 to 1. And range will be where to where? Minus pi by 2 to plus pi by. So in this case, what happens? Sine is invertible. So what I get as, the graph will be getting like this. This is the sin inverse x graph. Okay, this will be the, means this graph only, which I am drawing this graph, I drawn here. And this is the sin inverse x graph. And here, this is the domain, minus 1 and plus 1. And this is the range, will be pi by 2, and this will be minus pi by 2. This is a sin inverse x. So, okay, that is inverse trigonometry we are going to learn. Next topic is inverse trigonometry. This calculus main points are functions, inverse trigonometry, then limits. We'll go like that. Then you are going to enter into differentiation, differentiability, integration, like that. Differential equation, then calculus over. Like calculus will start like this. So function is a calculus related. So in this next topic is inverse trigonometry. So here what is this asking here? The domain of f existence for mod sin x is asked. What is asked here? Mod sin x. So sin x is invertible where to where? Minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Then mod sin x will be invertible where to where? 0 to pi by 2. Are you getting it? Mod sin x will be invertible where to where? 0 to pi by 2. I should not take negative here. Are you getting it? So mod sin x will be invertible in the domain when 0 to pi by 2, because sin x is here, sin inverse x. Sin inverse x is invertible where to where? Minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, right? Sin x is invertible where to where? Minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So mod sin x is invertible where to where? 0 to pi by 2. Is it clear? Picture is clear? Note down. See here. See, saying that f of x is equal to sin x plus cos x. G of x is equal to x square minus 1. Then G circle f of x is invertible for what domain? Okay, that is the question. Look at here. So what we can do here, G circle f of x is equal to, I can write as G of, what is f of x that you can write? What is f of x? Sin x plus cos x. F of x is what? Sin x plus cos x. Acha. F of x is sin x plus cos x. What is g of x here? X square plus 1. So what I can write here? Sin x plus cos x whole square minus 1. Right? So ये क्या होगा? A plus B whole square formula. So what is you get here? G circle f of x is equal to, can I write like here? Here can I write? Yeah, this is equal to sin square x plus cos square x, है ना, plus 2 sin x cos x minus 1. Everyone knows sin square x plus cos square x is how much? 1. So this 1 with this 1 cancel out. So G circle f of x is equal to, what I got here? Sin 2x, this is the formula. 2 sin x cos x किसका formula है? Sin 2x. हाँ sir, one more thing, calculus, if you want to get trigonometry, all formulas you should know. Okay, so sin 2x. So sin x is invertible where to where? See, sin x, if I am talking about sin x, x in between of minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 invertible, right? Likewise only in the previous lecture also, sin x is invertible minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. But mod sin x is invertible when I apply mod on both sides. So 0 to pi by 2 I got. Now sin 2x I want. Here I want 2x. So multiply 2 on both sides. So multiply what I get here? 2x pi by 2 by... No, गलत कर रहे हो आप. See sin x is sin x is invertible between minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So this is invertible exists when pi by 2 to minus pi by 2. So 2x argument, this is the argument, like 2x or whatever it may be there. This argument, sin of something is invertible between pi by 2 to minus pi by 2. So 2x I can write as 2x in between of pi by 2 to minus pi by 2, it is invertible. है ना? Understood? Clear? Sure na? So x is invertible where 2 and this side divides. So pi by 4 and this side what you get? Minus pi by 4. This is the right answer, है ना? This is minus pi by 4. See here, f r to r, f of x is equal to, see here, this is important question, make it star. And previously ऐसा questions पूछे. F of x is equal to x cube plus a plus 2 times x square plus 3ax plus y is an invertible mapping. Find the range A. Mapping meaning is function. Okay, mapping का meaning क्या होता है? Function. Mapping का meaning is function. invertible function. Find the range A. So you have to find the range of A if it is invertible. So let us see here. Inverse condition is there. They given that x cube. See here. F of x is equal to, they given that x cube plus a plus 2 into x square plus 3ax plus 5. Okay, this is they given. And it is saying that it is invertible. Invertible means what? It is 1 1 and onto. Right. If it is 1 1 and onto, then we have to find the range of A. What will be the range of A? The first condition what I take as x cube plus a plus 2 times of x square plus 3ax plus 5. Can I take this is greater than or equal to 0? Can I take this is greater than or equal to 0? Can I take or not? Tell me that's. Tell me. Can I see x cube plus a plus 2 into x square plus 3ax plus 5 less than 0? Can I take? Now what I am taking, it's a R to R, right? It's real to real. I am taking greater than or equal to 0, less than 0. Can I take it or like? Can I take likewise? Like, can I take like this or like this? Two cases I can make. Can I make two cases first? Can I make into two cases? Two cases, because R is there given. So can I make two cases? Because see here, it is invertible means it is onto function also. Onto function means range is equal to codomain. What is the range here? Range we don't know. Let's see. Actually range kabhi hai na polynomial function, odd degree polynomial function. Remember this. Odd degree polynomial function, range is always R. R means what? Real. Okay. Now here they given invertible this is. If it is, this is invertible. That means that if it is invertible, range is equal to codomain. Here codomain is R, then range also R. It means I came to know that f of x is nothing but range. F of x is nothing but what? Range na. F of x is nothing but range. That is y. So that is range. So range is real now. So range is real. Then can I write two cases? One is greater than or equal to 0. One is less than 0. Can I take it or not? Acha. Right. Fine. If this is greater than or equal to 0, then what should be discriminant? This is greater than or equal to 0. What should be discriminant? Do once differentiate. What is the differentiation of this function? This is f of x. What is f dash of x? Can you tell me what is f dash of x? 3x square plus 2a plus 2 into x plus 3a. Okay. If f dash of x strictly greater than 0, means greater than 0 or less than 0, then it is a 1 1 function. This is also you know, na? This is also you know, so you can use this condition also. So if f dash of x, if I am taking greater than or equal to 0 or less than, it should be any one thing should be happen. Either greater than or equal to 0, either less than or equal to 0, then only it is becomes a 1 1 function. Condition for 1 1 everyone knows na? Now for this case what I have to take, if this is greater than 0, then discriminant what I have to take? A greater than 0 and quadratic greater than or equal to 0, then discriminant will D less than 0, right? A greater than 0 and नहीं ना, मैं दिखाता हूँ आपको, दिखाता. ये ऐसा है, a greater than 0 है ना, राइट? और ये कब होगा? ये greater than 0, y greater than 0 कब होगा? If the discriminant is less than 0. Apply this condition. D less than 0. D less than 0 condition is what? B square minus 4AC. हाँ बोलो सर. 2a plus 4 whole square. B square minus 4AC less than 0. Right. Now then what I get? 4 को कॉमन ले सकते हैं ना. चलो ठीक है, अब लिखते हैं सर. ये ना 4a स्क्वायर प्लस 16a plus. So can I do one more thing? You can know one more thing you do. 2 you take common. मैं बोलता देखो, means shortcut ऐसा सुनना है. 2 taken common. 2 square is how much? 4. This 4 gone. What is there inside? A plus 2 layer. A plus 2 there. What is there? A plus 2. So I can write here a plus 2 whole square minus 9a less than 0. Right. So what I can write here? Open this one, sir. A square plus 4a plus 4 minus 9a less than 0. Right. So what I get here? A square minus 5a plus 4a plus 4 less than 0. Right. Right. Now 4 ones are 4. So what I can write here? A square minus 4a minus a plus 4 less than 0. Any problem here? Sir, here a taken common. So a minus 4 minus 1 taken common. A minus 4 less than 0. So a minus 4 into a minus 1 less than 0. Taking on the number line. Taking on number line. Infinity minus infinity. 1 4 1 4 plus minus plus less than is there. So a belongs to where 1 comma 4 open. Suppose if I take this one, means f dash of x. See, you can take f dash of x less than 0. Okay, f dash of x, if I take, what I get here? 3x square 2 into a plus 2 into x plus 3a less than 0. अच्छा, देखो इधर a greater than 0 है. A greater than 0, function less than. Means what happened? A greater than 0 means this and less than. इसमें क्या होगा? See, a less than 0, d less than 0. Less than 0 होगा क्या? ये तुम ये देखो सर, a greater than 0 and d less than 0. a greater than 0 क्या है? सॉरी, क्वाड्रेटिक लेस देन 0. तो क्वाड्रेटिक तो इधर तो स्टॉप नहीं होगा ना. दिस केस इज रॉन्ग. नॉट अंडरस्टैंड. अरे यार, a less than 0 means this is na. a less than 0 graph is like this. Is saying that y also less than 0 means graph should be come here only. It should stop here only. It should stop here only. When R to R, how it will be stopped? If it is there R to R, how it will be stopped? This is not possible. So this case. Simply you have to find f dash of x. Simple, see here. Find f dash of x once greater than 0, less than 0. Because you know that 1 function condition is, you know, 1 function f dash of x greater than 0 or less than 0 is a 1 function. So ये case तो wrong है, ये case right है. Answer is this. See here, f is 0 to infinity, 4 to infinity. They said domain and range they given. defined as f of x is equal to x square plus 4. Find f inverse 13. So how to find f inverse 13? See here. What we do here, we write f of x is equal to what? X square plus 4. Right, f of x is nothing but y. Right, this is nothing but what? Y. We can write y. Now we have to replace x as y as x. We should replace what here? Replace x, y, x. Chalo, what I get here? X is equal to y square plus 4. So 4 send this side. So y square is equal to x minus 4. Then y is equal to what you get here? Under root of x minus 4. So f inverse x is equal to what you get here? Under root of x minus 4. What is there asking? F inverse 13. So f inverse 13 is equal to what you get here? Square root of 13 minus 4. Square root of 9 is 3. See here, next question. R plus to R, f of x is equal to log x with base 5. F inverse x is how much they are asked. So simple question. F of x is equal to, we can write as log x with base 5. Here y is equal to what I get here? Log x with base 5. Replace x as y as x. Okay. Okay, आपको y subject चाहिए ना? तो what I have to apply? Logarithm on both sides. हाँ? Log exponential on both sides. But tell me which exponential you need to apply. 5 power x you have to apply, right? So here you get as 5 to the power of x is equal to 5 to the power of log y with base 5. You have to apply log with base. So 5 exponential. Reason is what? You know na? What is the reason? Log anything and a log n with base a with base n. Yes, suppose these both are same, you get the answer a. So that is the reason we have to apply 5. 5 power x is equal to 5 power log y. So ये दोनों same है, तो y is equal to what you get here? 5 power x. Y is nothing but what is that? F inverse x. F inverse x equal to 5 power x. So B option is right. So next question is f of x is equal to 10x minus 7. If g is equal to f inverse, then g of x is equal to dash. G is equal to f inverse बोल दिया, बहुत simple. So here y is equal to what I get here? 10x minus 7. Okay, so I have to find f inverse. So make it y as a subject. X, replace x as y as x. So x is equal to what I get here? 10y minus 7. So you get here what here? X plus 7 is equal to 10y. So y is equal to what here? X plus 7 by 10. Means f inverse x कितना आया? X plus 7 by 10. So f inverse x is equal to g of x. So the answer will be what? X plus 7 by 10 is the answer. Right? See, next question. Yeah, listen to me. Yes. See, if the function be such that f of x is equal to x minus greatest integer x. Okay. Now he is saying that where x, this is GIF. So what will be f inverse x? Tell me, fatafat. See, exactly any number, suppose x is a number, can be written as greatest integer x plus fractional part of x. Okay, so x minus greatest integer is x is nothing but what here? Fractional part of x. हाँ देखो सर, अनडिफाइंड फ्रैक्शनल पार्ट ऑफ एक्स है ना, वो 1 नहीं होता है ना, तो इन्वर्टेबल नहीं होगा. So do homework these questions and come. Tomorrow I'll explain. Even you find this f of x is equal to e power x plus e power minus x by 2. Find f inverse x. Do all these 3 questions. Tomorrow I'll explain. You try today. Today you try it. If you are not getting, tomorrow I'll explain. Right? Fine. Bye. Take care.